Kiwi Can says, when times get tough,
and you've had enough,
be a pro.
and have another go.
Namaste. I'm Ruth and I'm one of your Kiwi Can leaders for the Southland region. This week we continue our Term 2 module about resilience, and this video is going to be discussing self-control. What is self-control? Self-control is about being able to deal with emotions and make positive choices when things get tough. I'm sure over the last few weeks you've had to use a little bit of self-control. Perhaps you had to take some time out because you and a sibling were arguing. Maybe you felt overwhelmed by all of the information out there. It doesn't matter why you use your self-control. It's just important that you can recognize when things might be a little bit tough and you might be feeling overwhelmed, and knowing how to make positive choices and use your self-control. It's especially important at the moment during this lockdown to ensure that we use our self-control. If we go out for our daily walk around the block, we need to make sure we don't touch anything because it might not be safe. My activity this week is a fun one where you have to use your self-control. We're going on a scavenger hunt. I have 2 scavenger hunts that we can do. One is for a rainy day, so it's an indoor, in your home scavenger hunt. And the second scavenger hunt is something you can do while you are out for your daily exercise with a responsible adult. This is an activity where you can look to find the items but not touch. First though, I have a fun Energiser for us to try. It can be a little bit tricky. The first thing I want you to try doing is rubbing your belly and patting your head. You've got to do it at the same time. Now swap. Awesome. Was that a little bit tricky? The second thing I'd like you to try is to stand on one leg, do big arm circles with one hand, and click your fingers with your other hand. You got the hang of that? Now let's swap. Stand on one hand, stand on one foot, do big circles with your other hand, and then click your fingers. That one's actually a bit trickier. Ka pai if you gave it a go. Okay, let's get into our activity. Here is our indoor scavenger hunt list. And here's how I went on my rainy day hunt. Okay, how did you go? Did you manage to find everything? Ka pai. Now, if you're going out for your neighbourhood walk for a bit of daily exercise with a parent or a caregiver, you could do the next scavenger hunt while you're out. You can look for these items, but you don't touch them. Check out the list. So how did you go? Did you manage to spot everything? I tried really hard to find everything, but I actually didn't spot all of the items. I had to use my self-control to make sure that the things that I did see, I took a photo of, or I just observed, but I didn't touch. That was me making sure that I was keeping myself safe. And here's what I found while I was out for my daily walk. Ka pai team, awesome work. I hope you had fun with your scavenger hunts, and I hope you kept yourself safe by finding the things while you were on your daily walk, but not touching them. Namaste. Until next time, guys, stay safe.
Kiwi Can says, when times get tough,
and you've had enough,
be a pro.
And have another go.